How to fix high CPU and RAM usage in Windows? First step, find the application using most usage. Open Task Manager, click Process tab, click the CPU or memory column to sort by usage. Scroll down and search it. If you are not using any application, it means you can just click it and end the task. Make sure don't do the inbuilt application. Next step, disable startup apps. Open startup apps tab, scroll down and search for the application which you are not using for startup. If you are using more number of application for startup, the issue will occur. Click it and disable the application. Don't disable the inbuilt application. Move on with next step. Click settings, click Windows Update. Make your Windows up to date. Click check for update and make your Windows up to date. Then click additional option. Click optional update. If there is any update available, means depends on you, you can click it and update it. Close it. Move on with next step. Search for Windows security. Click it. Click virus and threat protection. Click quick scan. Wait for some time. Once the scanning complete, after we need to check if there is any threat available or not. There is no threat available. Close it and move on with next step. Search for command prompt. Click run as administrator and type the following text: sfc space / scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. The process will take some time to entirely verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having, means it will remove it. Verification is completed. There is no error. Exit it. Then move on with next step. Free up memory. Search for run and type the following text: CLEANMGR. Click OK. Select the drive. Select the files you are going to delete. If you are not aware of the files, means you can click view files and verify it. After verification, you can click delete files. Move on with next step. Search for run and type the following text: sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Click advanced. Under performance tab, click settings. Click advanced. Under virtual memory, click changes. Enable automatic manage paging file size for all drives. Click OK. Click apply and OK and click restart now. Thank you.